Hey guys, Mencha here. Today I'm going to show you a track I produced, Afro House track. It's something like a demo or a track I produced on my other channel. I'll leave the link in description how I started. I started from scratch, but I speak other language there. Anyway, you can check this video first and figure out how I produced this track. I'll just explain what I used here. Let me show you some parts of this track and I'll explain what instruments I used here. So let's start from this bass. Okay, it sounds something like that. It's something like a light Afro House, maybe deep Afro House, not so big, maybe like enjoy the tracks, but maybe something like commercial with vocals, etc. So let me explain what I used here. So let me show you rhythm section. We have a fill. By the way, I decided to use my own samples I produced especially for my channel, for Boosty and Patreon. Also check links in description. You can find several Afro House packs there. I used a bass drum. I decided to use 2 layers here. Something like a high layer and low layer. I use this layer to make a bit more attack to this kick. We have shakers. We have these drums. Something like that. I decided to use this bass first, like a lot of Afro House tracks. Then I decided to use other rhythm for the bass. I really like how it sounds. It's something like, it sounds like a loop, but these chords are changing. It sounds like that. So we have also subsection and mid bass. We have 2 layers here. Let me show you. It's a cloud piano from Mumbaton 2. Anyway, you can use any piano like grand piano and use a lot of reverb, maybe a bit shimmer, a lot of delay and filter to make it more deep, something like that, and filter it, of course. And we have this preset, it's called the Deep Piano from Deep House 2. Then we have a pad layer. Something like that. Also we have raise bass in the breakdown. We have this usual plug. Typical for Afro House, and I decided to make automation for these synths. It's something like a volume automation. It's something like a lead or plug, and we have the main lead. Sounds like that. By the way, these plugs sounds cool with piano. It gives a lot of atmosphere for this track. We have vocal section. I decided to use these vocals from Drop Gun Samples, the pack called Vocal Afro House. And as you hear, I used a lot of reverb and delay to make it more atmosphere. I used here this texture. It sounds like on the background. We have a crash, this down effect. So we have two uplifters. It's more massive uplifter. It's something like to make a tension till the end of the breakdown, and we have more usual. I decided to use free swells. Something like that to make more atmosphere in this track. So this track looks a bit simple. I know it's something like a demo or something. Of course, I would work with it more. Something like to add more details, to add more percussions here and there. Maybe I don't know. Maybe more scenes or something, transition effects, etc. But I explained in my first video, you can check in the description, as I said, how I made it from scratch. It's something like I used just my own samples and presets, except these two Nexus effects or Nexus keys. Yeah, I decided to use it, and I explained what type of procession I used on every channel. Yeah, something like that. Anyway, you can find this project in the description. I'll leave the links to Patreon and Boosty. By the way, the same content here. Maybe you want to make something like that, maybe in Afro House style, in the but you didn't have some, I don't know, some samples, or didn't imagine how it's produced. Just feel free to use these links, and you can find this project there, and maybe you want to figure out how to make or how to produce track like that. So if you like it, please give me a like this video or track. But maybe but main she was here. Bye bye guys.